Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. This is Ashwati. So all of us know that Nayanthara has got a signature makeup look, that is dark smoky eyes and nude lips. So in this video I'll be trying to get that signature makeup look. Also I'll be showing you all 8 lip options, 8 nude lip options, which is gonna suit a dusky skin tone very well. Actually all skin tone very well. So let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna use this plum moisturizing cream. I'll be applying it all over my face and then blending it very well, giving a good massage. It's a very good moisturizer. Not only it moisturizes our skin very well, it doesn't make our skin oily at all, which is great. Now for primer, I'll be using this Color Bar primer. It's a very silicone primer. It does make our skin very smooth, which actually helps our makeup to glide on very easily, and also it kind of blurs out the pore as well, which is great. So again I have blended it very well. Then for foundation, I'll be using Sugar Stick foundation. It is one of my favorite foundation, first for the reason that it has got a good shade range, actually 10 or 12 of them, and also it has got good coverage as well. So since it is a little drying and formula, I'll be applying a facial oil as well, and also onto makeup sponge I have put on Sugar makeup setting spray and then blending it very well. As you guys can see, it is a full coverage stick foundation, so you need not take a lot of them. A little bit will go a long way. Since it is a stick foundation which has got a thick consistency, it can be used as a concealer as well. So it is a two-in-one product, so it's great, right? So I am taking the same product and I'll be applying it onto my dark spots and then blending it very well. In that way you can see that my dark spots are covered very easily. Now for compact powder, I will be using Sugar compact powder. I don't remember the shade number. I'll be leaving all the links in description box, all the details, so please do check it out. So I've applied this compact powder all over my face and set it very well. If you want, you can just apply to your sweaty areas, just onto your nose and under eyes, and it will be good to go because the foundation is a matte foundation. Now for eyeliner, I'll be using the Sugar gel eyeliner. We are gonna go for this a dark smoky eye look. So I'll be applying a thick liner with this gel eyeliner and then blending it very well. Make sure that there is darkness onto lash line, and while going up it is lighter. So if you want, you can again apply a little bit of liner, more liner to waterline, not waterline, upper lash line, and then blend it. Now for eyeliner, like eyeshadow, we are gonna use Makeup Revolution palette, and for face makeup also I'm gonna use the same palette. So it is a multi-purpose palette, you guys, a very good one. Taking that pink shade, I'm gonna blend that black color, which where we have stopped from there till crease with the same pink color. So here the key is blending, so keep blending. Now taking that brown shade onto a fluffy brush, I will be blending onto my crease, to my outer corners very well. And then taking that matte nude shade, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone and again blend it very well. Okay, so after that, again taking that black gel eyeliner, I'll be drawing a very thin liner to lash line and then again blending it. While blending this time, I made sure that I do not blend it a lot. Actually we want that black intensity onto our lash line, so make sure that you blend it very lightly. At the same time, we do not want to have a harsh line as well, so make sure that you blend it, but do not take it to, take it a lot upper. I hope you understood. Now I'm gonna take that same eyeliner and draw a liner to my lower lash line. If you want, you can apply to your waterline as well, but then I thought I will go for a nude eye pencil over there. After that, taking that brown eyeshadow, I will be blending that gel eyeliner onto my lower lash line, and taking that shimmery shade, I'll be putting into my inner corners and then just blending it. For mascara, I'll be taking this Faces mascara. It's a good mascara. It is like a it's not a great one, but then it's a good one. Taking that brown shade again, I am gonna contour my face and also put on my eyebrows as well. So as I said, I'm gonna try to do face makeup with the same palette itself. So first I have filled in my eyebrows. I know Nayanthara has got a straight thick eyebrows, but mine is arched one. But I didn't had the courage to make my eyebrows straight because for a very long time I had this curved eyebrows, so I mean like arched eyebrows, I'm sorry guys, that's the reason I didn't go with it. And then taking a nude pencil, I have put onto my waterline so that it gives an illusion of bigger eyes. Do not forget to tightline your eyes as well. And then I'm gonna take this dark brown eyeshadow, same one which we have taken to fill in eyebrows. I'm gonna contour my nose, forehead, and then cheeks. Once it is blended very well, I am going to take this another brown shade from the same palette and I'm going to contour my cheeks again. In this way, it gives a nice shadow effect. I think the contour turns out to be in better way. And then I'm going to take this nice pink shade. I'm going to pick it from the palette itself with the brush. And directly from the palette, and then I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks. It's a very nice pink shade. It gives a natural flush of pink onto our cheeks. And then I'm gonna take this highlighting shade and I'm gonna highlight my cheekbones. It's a very natural highlighting look, so I really like that. And then taking this matte highlighting shade, I'll be just applying it to my bridge of my nose so that it gives a nice sharper look, also to cupid's bow and chin as well. And now let's move on to lipstick. Before that, I'm gonna set this makeup using sugar makeup setting spray. It's again a very good makeup setting spray. So the very first lip option is this Lakme lipstick. It's a very nice nude shade. I think it's a perfect match to Nayanthara's lip option. On top of this, I'll be applying this Miss Claire lip gloss. It's a nice, very light pinky lip gloss. So both these together, I think it goes very well with this eye makeup look. And hairstyle, I'm gonna do a very simple, easy hairstyle. For that, I have taken a very small section of hair from that partition. Actually, if you want, you can go for middle or side, that's up to you guys. Actually, after that, I am gonna take a little bit of more hair from the side and gonna add it to fourth section, and then keep on repeating it till I reach just above ears, and then I'm gonna just secure it using a bobby pin. That's it. It's a very simple hairstyle. I have seen the same hairstyle in I think Vishwasam movie, I guess. I'm not sure. One of Nayanthara movie. That's the reason I thought of trying this out. For any hairstyle, I try to use a hair serum or a Pantene oil replacement one, any of these on my hair, especially onto tip of my hair, so that my hair is smooth. Otherwise, my hair is very frizzy. So this does help my hair to stay smooth for a very long time. So it's a very cute hairstyle, you guys. You can try it with any outfit, ethnic or Indo-Western or even modern outfits as well. Now I'm going to show you guys other lip options. I think this lip option suits very well, right? What do you guys think? Let me know. Now I'm going to show you guys this pink lip color which she usually wears with sari. Again, this was seen in movie Vishwasam. It's Lakme lip and cheek tint in shade I don't remember, guys. Please do check the description box. Now I'm going to show you guys another lip option. She usually wears this burnt orange shade with again ethnic wear like saris or salwars. I think mostly with saris. Now I'm going to show you guys nice pink lip option. It's a nudie pink, and this is from Purple. Actually, it's a very comfortable liquid lipstick. And now it's a nude shade which she usually wears with western looks. It's from Wet n Wild in the shade mocha, I guess. Yeah. And now another lip option is a like proper nude lips, that is this Nykaa. I think this is in the shade Madras Kapi. And now another lip option is from Miss Claire. It's number 58. It's a gorgeous nude shade, you guys. Every dusky skin tone girl should own this. I mean, like, it's really gorgeous. Now next one is Stay Quirky one. This one is also a nice nude shade. So it's all these nude shades are gonna suit dusky skin tone very well. So please to try it out and let me know. So that's it, you guys. I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. If so, you all know what to do. Please to give this video a big thumbs up as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye. Take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.